In this video, we're going to be talking about game mode on your iPhone and how you can turn it on or turn it off. Well, let me be straight up with you. In order to go ahead and turn on or turn off the game mode, you don't actually have the control. You can simply open a game, and as you can see, it's going to say game mode on the top, and then it's going to simply go ahead and start up a game just like that. And when you simply go ahead and close your game, so for example, let me just show you. Let it just load up. As you can see, if you check it up here, the game mode is currently on just like that. But if you just go ahead and close your game, then it's just going to go ahead and turn off the game mode. So it's just that simple. I hope this video clarifies a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.